Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. I'm still ill, but here is an update for Bitcoin. I will check with you what's going on with Bitcoin for the next days. Maybe we will see a little bottom. Okay, we will check this out, guys. Let's go. So guys, here we are. This is the daily time frame. Every candle is 1 day. What happened? Last I told you it is maybe a nice sell position here on 48,000 because we saw a lot of indicators. They are telling us, yes, maybe it is the perfect time to go out. And yes, it was a perfect time to go out. We went out, I went out on 48,000 and now I'm waiting for a next buy position. This is the next big thing. I made a video for about some days here and I told you, attention, we see a nice support. This green line was a nice support and I told you guys, maybe we can try a little long position with a stop loss here because we have a nice long time support. But guys, we broke it to the downside and you can see we are going down more and more. If you're looking on the downside, you can see the MFI and you can see MFI is also going down more and more. And what can we see? We saw here a nice support line and we broke it to the downside. Now we are with the MFI here about 33 points. You know, everything under 20 is oversold. Everything over 80 is overbought. And yes, for the moment we're going down. It's possible to go down more and more. We need to watch it. So back again to the daily time frame. Let's turn off the MFI. Let's check what's going on with our indicators. What's going on with our Ichimoku. The Ichimoku is a really important stuff. I'm showing you this since long time. And what can we see for the moment? Ichimoku blue line, Ichimoku red line. These are both of these two lines. The 9 lengths, the 26 lengths of Ichimoku is here on the upside. You can see it here. We saw a cross that's also really dangerous, a cross of both of these lines, and we are going down more and more. And the Ichimoku is here a resistance. The price about this one is 43,200, big resistance to the upside. And yes, that's all what I can tell you about the 1 day time frame Ichimoku. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. And what can we see here? The 4-hour time frame is here and here. The Ichimoku 40,800 resistance, blue line, and the next one, the red one, 41,600. Both of these lines are here a big resistance and we need to fight back. You can see as long as we're going down here, and here we saw a fight with the blue line, down again. Here the fight with the blue, a try to fight back the red one, bam, down again. And now maybe the next try to fight back the blue and the red one. Okay, we will check this, what's going on here. Let's go a little bit deeper. Let's check the 1-hour time frame. Let's remove everything. Let's remove these indicators. Let's remove the drawings. This is our 1-hour time frame. Every candle here is 1 hour. What can we see? First of all, we are going down with a really bad parallel channel to the downside. This one, it is a red parallel channel to the downside in this 1-hour time frame. Now we are fighting with the middle line. You can see the blue line is the middle line and this one is here our big resistance for the moment. We need to fight back. For the moment we are fighting under it. You can see it if you're zooming in a little bit more. Yes, let's zoom it in. We are fighting with the middle line as a resistance, and for the moment on the 1-hour time frame we are building, and that's the interesting stuff now, higher highs and higher lows. This was a high. This is the next high here. You can see it. We are going up with the highs. Also, you can see with the lows, we are going up. So let's zoom in a little bit more. 15-minute time frame. And what can we see? For the moment, we are building higher highs. But the big question is, can we break the middle line? And what else can we make here? We can make a nice parallel channel from the downside to the upside like this one here. It is a green parallel channel, 15-minute time frame, every candle 50 minutes. And you can see we are fighting. We are fighting in this little parallel channel to the upside. We have the middle line here in the little time frame, 15-minute time frame. And you can see this is now for the moment our support. A support is always a green one. And yes, we are fighting with this. We can go down more a little bit, maybe fighting with the middle line. And after this, I hope we can break out over this middle line here. It's not looking so nice for the moment, guys. It's looking, in my opinion, for more downgoing power. Yes, it's not impossible to go down more and more. Let's check the ribbon band EMA ribbon on the 15-minute time frame. Here we are. And what's happening? For the moment, we have a long signal here. 15-minute time frame, long signal, because we saw a changing ribbon band from the red one into a green one. It is now our support. So yes, 15-minute time frame is okay, is a little bit bullish. We are building higher highs. We are over the ribbon band. Everything is okay. Everything is fine. Ribbon band on the 1 hour time frame. And what can we see here? Here we can see our big problems. Why, guys? Because we are fighting with the ribbon band. You can see here is the ribbon band, and we are fighting here now with this ribbon line. 40,300 is the resistance. We are fighting with this one here. You can see it also. It's the EMA 25, and that's the big fight for the moment. We are ready. I hope we are ready for making confirmed closing candles in the ribbon band. This would be a nice sign. But now we are going down. You can see it here. We're going down. Here is a really important point. This point, 40,200, is a good support. We need to hold it. We have time, 40 minutes to close this candle now. Big question, can we close this candle here in the ribbon band, or will we fall down again more and more? Will we lose this fight with the ribbon band? Will we lose the fight with the middle line, and will we go down? We will see, guys. Little uptrend, okay. Big downtrend, okay. You see now everything you need to know. EMA 200 is here on the upside. Not so important for us. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. What is telling us this one? Look at this, EMA 200 on the upside, price about 43,100. Ribbon band is here, the last one, 41,400, and a lot of space to the upside if we are watching this one, guys. Let's check really quick the RSI, Relative Strength Index. Let me check this one here for you. What is going on the 4-hour time frame? You can see we are really low. We saw an oversold RSI, 21 points. Now we're going up a little bit. And what can we see here? From this point, a line over this point to the downside like this. This is the resistance line on the 4-hour time frame. A little space to the upside, yes, of course, but here's the next resistance. So if you're watching the RSI on the 4-hour time frame, we may go up here a little bit more. This would mean we will fight back, or we would fight back the middle line. I'm not so sure about this, but it is a possible way here. The 1-day time frame and the RSI, what is telling us this one? It's going down really hard, not oversold, but it's going down really hard. Sorry, once again. Relative Strength Index, where it is. Damn, what's going on? Here it is. Relative Strength Index. Yes, it's going down really hard. And yes, we lost this beautiful long-time support. Here, we lost it here on this point with this candle, and we broke down really hard. Not good. Not good. So one thing, what's really interesting is this one. Let me check. Weekly time frame. Let's remove everything before we end this quick update for the day. Remove drawings, remove indicators. Here is the clear naked chart picture. We are for the moment drawing a line from the downside to the upside. That's a green one. That's a support. Yes, you can see it, a line from here to here. It's our resistance. It's a red one, and that's it, guys. Here it is, the next triangle. We need to break out to the upside, really important, like this one. Break out here to the upside. This would be amazing. Or maybe we are retesting here the triangle bottom again, and then down to the downside. That's a big thing. What we should watch, guys. 35,000 to the downside, or maybe 43,000 to the upside. Both things are possible. For the moment, I'm not so ultra bullish. I'm waiting a little bit what's going on if you're watching this one. And now, guys, let me check the MA, moving average. Because the moving average is really important stuff on the weekly time frame. We need to watch the 20 or 21, not so important. Let me check 21. What is going on? What did we saw here? We saw a nice confirmed closing candle. It was so beautiful. It was maybe the beginning of a pump. And what happened? This red resistance was too big and we fall down again. So the EMA is a really, the MA is a really bad stuff. MA21 here, 43,500, big resistance. We need to fight back. We are down again, and that's the bad stuff for them. So guys, a quick update, only 10 minutes for the day. but it is a really quick thing. What's going on now? Weekly time frame. What's going on now on the daily time frame? You can see it here. And what can we make? We should not forget this one, a line from here over this point to the upside to this point. It is the next big support line to the downside. And if we are going down more and more, we should hold maybe 37,000. That's a next big stuff to the downside. So yes, of course, we are in a triangle. Yes, of course, we are under the MA21. And yes, of course, we have a lot of things to watch and a lot of problems for the moment. Guys, I have one thing, and this is also really important because it's the golden cross death cross. Quick watch. Golden cross death cross, we are still in the death cross zone. What is the bad thing? What happened? That's really bad. We saw a nice pump to the upside. We lost it here. We lost the fight here on 48,000. Yes, that's one of the reasons why I went out here. And we saw a fight with the red line. We lost the fight with the red line. You can see the red line is the 200 SMA. And now we lost also the green one. This is a really bad stuff. The 50 SMA, we lost 41,800 on the daily. That's so important. And we are down again. So maybe we will not see really soon a golden cross. It's not looking so nice, guys. It's looking not so good. 4-hour time frame, this is a really interesting thing. Why? We are in a golden cross zone. We saw it here on this point, golden cross. But that's really dangerous. We may see on the 4-hour time frame really soon the next death cross. And that's not good. Guys, that's it. That's a quick overview for Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, not financial advice, Biti. Bye, guys.
System activated.